Good evening, everyone. Hope all of you enjoy your great dinner that's being provided for you tonight. Now, earlier you heard the president of the Taiwan Chamber of Commerce, Daphne, mention that among all of the people that are helping here tonight are a few very special people. And these are elected officials and important people in the community. So I'd just like to introduce them to you. Now, if we want to hold your applause to the end, this will go a little quicker. Is that okay with everyone? Okay, so from the Fremont City Council, Fremont Mayor Bill Harrison. Turn around, Bill. Wave at him. City Councilwoman Sue Chan. She's out there somewhere. Sue. Okay, back on the side there. Council Member Rick Jones. He's in the back. Okay. Councilwoman Lily May. She's in the food line waving right now. We also have from the city of Newark, City Council Member Mike Hannon. Where's Mike? He's back in the corner. Okay. What is another important person is the Council General of the Taiwan Economic Cultural Office, Joe Ma. He's out here somewhere. Okay, he's waving. He's in the food line, serving.
I've been working out all day.
Another person from the Scott Haggerty's office, Supervisor Scott Haggerty, Joe Horton. He's in the back, waving right now. We have, of course, now he was supposed to be up there on the stage with me. The Planning Commissioner in the city of Union City, Lee Guyo. There he is. Come on up here, share the stage. He's been a good friend of mine for a number of years as well. Another person to recognize is Pauline Peng, General Manager of China Airlines. Where's Pauline? Probably in the food line somewhere. Okay. Last but not least, we have a recently newly installed president of the American College of Dentists, Steve Chan. Where's Steve? He's in the back. Okay, let's give, did I miss anyone? Oh, that's right. He came in, Assembly Member Kansan Chu, representing part of Fremont into Santa Clara, Milpitas, San Jose. So let's give this group a big round of applause for their efforts in coming out to serving you tonight. Thank you, everyone, and have a great evening.
All righty.
So it will always be my privilege to introduce the staff and then the ministries at Centerville as a hosting church. And this year, I would like to introduce you a new staff on board, Pastor Li Da Wang. His parents are from Taiwan, but he was born here. 你要讲台语吗?
Oh, Dai.
He doesn't know. I asked him, do you know how to speak Taiwanese? He said, I don't know. So, intercultural and an intergeneration is always the vision and the mission that we have at Centerville. So, I will give Pastor Li Da Wang a few minutes to introduce the new mission that he has here at Centerville.
Thank you, Cordelia. So, as Cordelia said, my name is Lita, just like Cheetah, one of the new pastors on staff, and I'm overseeing family ministries, millennial ministries, and intercultural ministries. So if you are involved with a family, or if you're involved with someone in their 20s and 30s, or if you have interest in working interculturally, that's something that I serve. Speaking of intercultural, I see that our wonderful Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce is hosting tonight, so I want to say thank you for coming out. I got a little joke for y'all. Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce, where do ants go on vacation? Where do ants, little ants, actually anteaters, where do anteaters go on vacation? Think about that for 1 second. You ready for the answer? So anteaters go on vacation to the island of Ma'i. Okay, yeah, see, the Asian people, the Chinese people understand Mandarin. Island of Ma'i just means the island of ants. So that's just a little joke for you guys. And I need a drummer right here to back me up, go, but that's all good. Anyhow, I want to say welcome again to the free dining. Welcome again to a wonderful dinner tonight. I'm so glad that we have this room filled. I'm so glad to see all these wonderful faces and glad that we are enjoying a good night of entertainment, good food, and good fun. Please continue to have a good night. I got to run off to a memorial in Hayward, but if you have a chance, I'd love to talk with you and get to know you a little bit more. Thank you again so much. My name is Lita.
I wish I have longer hands because I cannot read without my glasses. Oh, hi Zoe. Thank you for offering me the reading glasses. See, every year I'm here. Now this year I need my reading glasses. Thank you for rescuing me. Psalms 100, verse 4, 5. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. For the Lord is good and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations.
You'll be a star of the show. No, don't want that.